Alcohol consumption can be a risk factor for cancer, contributing to around 40% of cases linked to factors within our control, according to a recent report from the American Association for Cancer Research. Alcohol is specifically tied to 6 types of cancer: head and neck, esophageal, liver, breast, colorectal, and stomach cancers. In 2019, more than 1 in 20 cancer diagnoses in Western countries were attributed to alcohol use, challenging the long-standing perception of alcohol as a relatively harmless indulgence. Particularly concerning is the rising rate of early-onset cancers, such as colorectal cancer, among younger adults, a trend that researchers are still investigating, with alcohol emerging as a possible key contributor. The relationship between alcohol and cancer risk follows a dose-response pattern. The more you drink, the higher your risk. Even light or moderate alcohol consumption is linked to increased cancer risk, particularly for breast cancer. Alcohol's carcinogenic effect stems from its breakdown in the body into acetaldehyde, a toxic substance that can damage DNA and create mutations, potentially leading to cancer. Beyond direct DNA damage, alcohol affects hormone levels, impairs nutrient absorption, and weakens the body's defenses against harmful chemicals. It also interacts with lifestyle factors like smoking, obesity, and physical inactivity, further amplifying cancer risk. Studies show that around half of Americans are unaware of alcohol's connection to cancer. Despite these sobering findings, awareness about the alcohol-cancer link remains low. Here is why you should always stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration, defined as losing about 1 5/10% of the body's normal water volume, can harm your mood, energy, and mental clarity, according to studies from the University of Connecticut's Human Performance Laboratory. The research found that dehydration affects people whether they are exercising or at rest, showing that proper hydration matters in all situations, not just during intense activity. Symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and concentration difficulties were common in both men and women, though women reported more severe mood disturbances and found everyday tasks more challenging. Men experienced issues with vigilance and working memory, along with feelings of anxiety and tension, but the impact was consistently more pronounced in women. Dehydration not only affects cognitive function, but can also reduce motivation, making it harder to engage in exercise or complete daily activities, even when there is no physical exertion involved. The studies highlight that waiting until you feel thirsty is often too late, as thirst typically kicks in only after dehydration has already impaired the mind and body. Experts recommend drinking about 2 liters of water each day to maintain hydration. A simple way to monitor hydration is by checking the color of urine. Pale yellow indicates good hydration, while darker shades suggest dehydration. Staying hydrated is particularly important for vulnerable groups such as the elderly, children, and individuals with diabetes, who may experience more serious consequences from dehydration.
Vitamin C plays a vital role in the synthesis of collagen, the primary structural protein that provides support to bones, tendons, and skin. It also aids in wound healing, bone repair, and the reduction of blood pressure by eliminating excess fluid, thus alleviating the pressure within blood vessels and reducing the risk of stroke and cardiovascular issues. Vitamin C's antioxidant properties are also beneficial in preventing cancer by mitigating oxidative stress caused by free radicals produced during metabolic processes. By acting as a protective shield against free radical damage, vitamin C enhances cell health. Increasing vitamin C intake can elevate blood antioxidant levels by up to 30%, strengthening the body's natural defenses against inflammation. On top of that, vitamin C is crucial for brain function as it supports neuron development, forms a protective layer around neurons, and facilitates faster transmission of nerve impulses. It also aids in iron absorption, which is necessary for efficient oxygen transfer throughout the body. Studies suggest that higher vitamin C consumption can enhance weight loss by increasing fat burning compared to individuals with low vitamin C levels. Additionally, vitamin C may reduce the risk of cartilage loss in individuals with osteoarthritis and contributes to the synthesis of neurotransmitters vital for nervous system signaling. Although vitamin C cannot be produced by the body, consuming foods rich in this nutrient, such as citrus fruits, kiwi, potatoes, broccoli, and peppers, or taking vitamin C supplements is essential.